Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with hard candy. First, select your favorite hard candies, making sure they are not chewy or gummy. Next, ensure your cotton candy machine is clean and ready for use. Break any larger candies into smaller, quarter-inch pieces so they fit easily into the machine's heating element. This preparation is key for a smooth and delicious cotton candy experience. Let's get started. Once your machine is preheated, carefully add a small amount of your broken hard candy into the center heating head. Do not overfill it. The machine will melt the candy and spin it into fine sugar threads. As the floss emerges, gently twirl a paper cone or stick around the rim to collect the cotton candy. Be patient and let the machine do its work, creating a fluffy treat. For the best results, always use hard, sugar-based candies without chewy centers or fillings. These types of candies melt consistently and spin into perfect floss. Experiment with different flavors to discover your favorites. Remember to clean your machine thoroughly after each use to prevent sugar buildup and ensure it operates efficiently for many more batches of delicious cotton candy. Enjoy your homemade treat. If your candy isn't spinning correctly, first ensure your machine is fully preheated. Sometimes, larger candy pieces can also hinder the spinning process, so make sure they are broken down adequately. Don't be afraid to try different hard candies to see which ones work best for you. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth*, a book that offers great insights. You'll also find other deals there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.